The escalating trade tensions between the United States and China have left businesses in both countries grappling with uncertainty. Triggered by the imposition of retaliatory tariffs, the strained relationship has significantly affected the dynamics of international trade. The trade conflict, originally initiated to address long-standing issues like intellectual property theft and trade imbalances, has now evolved into a challenge that threatens multiple industries and supply chains. Since the implementation of tariffs, bilateral trade has witnessed a drastic decline. For example, U.S. exports to China dropped by $14 billion in 2019, according to official trade data. To mitigate the impacts, some Chinese businesses have started diversifying supply chains to reduce reliance on the U.S. market. Notably, influential companies such as Huawei have adapted by seeking local alternatives for high-tech components previously sourced from U.S. firms. For instance, agricultural imports such as soybeans have become significantly more expensive, pushing China to strengthen trade relationships with other markets like Brazil. Likewise, U.S. firms relying on Chinese production have expressed concerns over rising operational costs. Mr. Zhang Yang, a trade analyst, suggested policy reforms and new trade partnerships could help offset the economic strain caused by these tariffs. Both sides have experimented with incremental negotiations with limited success so far. The prolonged trade dispute has already had lasting effects on global market stability. For China, the pivot towards self-reliance is fostering rapid advancements in technology, manufacturing, and innovation. On the other hand, American farmers, manufacturers, and tech companies relying on Chinese markets are reporting financial losses. These developments underline the increasing need for multilateral solutions and cooperative frameworks to address trade conflicts constructively. By understanding the core challenges and pursuing strategic resolutions, both nations can aim to rebuild a more stable and equitable trade relationship, reducing the broader economic implications for global commerce.